friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making Kadai chicken, and Kadai chicken is really very tasty. We have some ingredients that we don't use regularly, so I can introduce. This is my 1.5 kg chicken, 2 medium size of onion, 3 tomato puree, and also this is the I have dry ingredients, which is 1 teaspoon of black pepper, quarter of fenugreek, uh, like methi, and few of them is uh, red pepper, some of the small and big one, and also 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Also 2 tablespoons of garlic, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 of red chili powder, 2 is coriander powder, half of spicy chili, and 3 bay leaves, and quarter turmeric, and half teaspoon of salt. So this is all dry ingredients. We will grind it in the mixture. So now we will start our cooking process. We am adding like probably 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. And I'm increasing little bit of heat, and we will put it back on the medium. So you can see that our kadai have enough oil. So at this point we will put it back on the medium, and I'll add this all onion in it. And onion, we will let it fry probably like 6 to 7 minutes until it's golden brown. So friends, you can see that our onion is really nice golden brown. At this point we will add our garlic. Garlic, we will let it cook couple of minutes as aroma is really very nice. Garlic is roasting with the onion, so it's really great aroma. At this point we will add our tomato puree. Now we will let cook tomato couple of minutes until this rawness goes. So friends, now I am adding our dry masalas. This all needs to go in, and we will let it roast with also we will add half of this rice. Now we will let it roast probably another few minutes. So friends, now you can see that our spices roasted very good. So at this point, we will add our chicken. So friends, you can see that our chicken is very good frying with the oil masala. So we will let it cook another few minutes like that. So friends, you can see that our chicken is cooking very good with the spices. So at this point, I will add cup of water and I will let it cook probably another 10 to 15 minutes. And same time, every few minutes, I will check it how it turns. So we will be back again after 20 minutes. So friends, you can see that our chicken was cooking last probably 10 minutes, and I have added 2 cups of water because you can see that we have bone with chicken, so it needs little bit time to cook, and I will still let it cook another probably 10 minutes. So I want to just show you after like 10 to 12 minutes how it look like. So we will let it cook continuous. As you can see that our chicken is well done. It's very nice, you know, and I don't want to like let it completely burn that curry little bit because my family likes it, so I will keep it at this point. And now I will add this green bell pepper and also coriander leaves. So now we will let it mix very good, and at this point I will turn off stove and let it simmer for a couple of minutes, and when I will put it in serving bowls, then I'll show you how our chicken turn. So friends, you can see that our Kadai chicken is done, and you know that I have used very limited spices, and it turns really very good, you know. I want you to enjoy these recipes. You will really like it because all the time like we use certain ingredients and that we are just used to with that, but when we change some spices, it really makes the difference. So I hope you like it, and if you like, please share with the friends and family, so that will help to someone your tips. And again, I will be back again with the simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed evening.